Hi, how are you?
No, thank you. The police just arrived. Can you cancel the EMS? She's on the phone.
Say again?
Can you cancel the EMS?
Well, you're bleeding and you got scratches on you.
I'm fine.
Okay, alright.
Can you cancel that?
Yeah, hang tight. Where's your mom at?
Thank you.
Hi, what happened?
She hit me, called me a fucking bitch. I babysat for her. She didn't come in till late. I screamed at her about coming in late. She got mad, and...
Okay. Alright, did she hit you in your right eye?
I don't know.
Okay.
Is it...
I don't know, it looks right, I could be my
I don't
light.
know.
Where'd she hit you at?
Right here.
Okay. Alright, and then what happened after that?
Then I popped her back.
Alright. She's really intoxicated.
I know she is.
So, you were babysitting your grandson?
Mm-hmm. And I told her to be home on time.
Okay.
And she went out and got drunk.
Okay.
You know, and this has to stop. This has to stop. She can't act like that with a 3-year-old
Right.
child.
And I'm a father, so I get it. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm
All right.
upset, but I'm okay.
All right. You're gonna do a statement and all that too?
It's up to her, you know.
Well, I mean, she hit you first. You're the victim.
Well, I didn't call the police.
Okay. Well.
All I want her to do is be a mother to her child.
Right.
And, you know.
All right.
And she
Okay.
called me a fucking bitch.
I don't know.
So that's how you talk to your mother?
All right. Well, I'm gonna wait for my boss to get out here, and we'll talk to her. She's got blood on her nose or whatever. So.
Yes, I popped her.
Okay. All right.
I did.
I got you.
Don't let her out. Don't let him out. Don't.
Okay. I'll be back in a minute, okay?
She can't drive my car drunk.
Okay. Oh, yeah, we're not going to let her drive anywhere.
Okay.
All right.
We're going to go and talk with your mom. There's one officer in there talking, and I'm going to get a couple statements from you. Is that mark across the top? What happened? You have a mark here, and you have a mark here.
I haven't noticed them. I'm not sure.
Okay. Can you go over what happened?
She's just angry.
Okay. About...
I went to a fundraiser this evening, and I came home, and then she's angry.
Okay. What transpired?
She was on the phone when I arrived.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who she was on the phone with. And then she got angry. We started talking crap to one another. And that's all I remember.
That's all you remember?
I'm a defense attorney. You're not going to get a lot out of me. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, this is a kind of a serious thing. Okay. So we want to make sure that everything is going the way that it's supposed to go. Okay. So I do need the story if you want us to try to help you. Okay.
I'm fine.
What happened?
She was upset that I came home past 10.
Okay. And then what happened?
We had it out.
You had it out?
Yes.
All right. And what does that mean? Well, you called the police, so we got to find out what's going on. I just need to find out.
I realize that.
So we're here now, and we can't go away. So I don't know what the situation happened,
Right,
and I want you to tell me.
Let me make my written statement.
Well, what happened? I want to talk to you first.
Let me just make my written statement.
Well, I would like for you to tell me first before we start pulling paperwork and stuff out. I want to find out your side of the story, too. Okay. You can go ahead and write it down after you tell me. How did you get a bloody nose?
I was scratched.
You were scratched?
Yes.
Okay. Did the dog do it?
Exactly. I would rather make my written statement at this point.
She says she's a defense attorney, so we're not going to get much out of her.
Okay.
And I said, well...
Defense attorney or not, your mother's a judge, all right? You called the police. You understand how the situation is. You're drunk, okay? And you got a cut on the side of your face. All right, I got a side of the story from your mother, and I'd like your side of the story as well.
Okay, well, I'm not drunk, for starters.
Okay. I'm not going to have an argument with you about it. I just want you to tell me the facts of what happened. Did you hit her? Did she hit you? Did you get bit by the dog? Did you fall down the stairs? Obviously something caused the injury to the side of your face, and we need to find out what's going on. If you don't want to say anything, then that's fine. You can get whatever statement you want to do, but I'd just like to find out what happened.
I realize that.
Yes.
Alright. I'm not doing this.
Well, say what?
I'm not going to make a written statement.
Why not?
Because I said I'm not.
Okay, so you have a cut on the side of your face, all this other stuff. I don't understand what's so difficult just to cooperate with us. You called the police. You wanted us to come out here, right?
I did.
For what reason? I'm here to help you. I'm not here to screw you over.
I realize that.
But now, you've called us and now you're forcing our hand to do our job. And by her providing at least a verbal statement. I understand that.
My address is in Cleveland Heights, Ohio.
Okay. And that has nothing to do with anything right now.
Okay.
But now we're here and we have to do our job.
I'm not filling this out.
You're not going to fill anything out?
Nope.
Okay, how are you going to get out of here? If you don't live here, how are you going to go home?
I don't know, I guess with a chip on your shoulder.
No, I don't mean that. I mean physically, how are you going to leave this residence and go somewhere else? Because she doesn't want you here.
Nike Express, I suppose. I'm not filling this out.
Okay, well, this is the thing. You called us.
I realize that.
And what are you trying to get out of us coming here?
I had no agenda.
So you didn't call the police for any reason?
It was reactionary.
Okay,
Based off reaction.
Based off of what?
A heated argument.
Okay. But you're allowed to yell at each other. There's nothing against the law about that, right?
Nope.
Okay. But now you have a cut on the side of your face. And somebody claiming that they were punched in the face. So I have a verbal statement from her, and she's cooperative, and you're acting like nothing happened and the side of your face is all bloody.
I'm not filling that out.
Okay, that's fine. You don't have to fill anything out. Just hang on. What kind of fundraiser were you at?
Johnson and Barrett Common Police Court. She was posed to this lady that has the same name as someone that's in juvenile court and looks exactly like someone who's seated currently in municipal court for Cleveland.
Kind of fun.
Okay, I
Radio
just need to
1731.
what happened here tonight, okay?
31 out at West Middle.
Okay, your units were just calling.
See if you can read that.
Okay, where did she hit you?
Right here on my face.
Okay,
It's not bruised.
okay. Can you just put where exactly she hit you? And what you did in return?
She did. I know her. She hit me. Inside of her face. And I hit her back. Until she...
If you could just sign down here at the bottom. Witness. Yep. Okay. And your social. You can hang out up here for right now? And just until, okay. And where's the baby at?
She's in bed.
Okay. So obviously, ideally, you'd like her to leave the residence today.
She's drunk, so I don't want her to... There's no way for her to leave.
Okay.
But if she comes back, she has to control herself.
Okay. If she were to find a way to leave the residence safely, the child would be going with her?
I guess. It's her child.
Okay. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that I had
She makes all
everything.
those decisions.
Okay. All right. Okay, just hang out up here and we'll try and get everything figured out, okay?
Daughter came home intoxicated. Mother was upstairs sleeping, watching the grandson. She came upstairs, an argument ensued. Daughter struck mother first. Mother pushed back and started punching daughter to get her off. Daughter has a cut. Neither one of them want medical attention. Here's the fun part. One of them, the mother, is Judge Saffold. That's why I'm not taking any of this off, and that's where we're at. Okay. So, what?
Okay, do me a favor, stand up, please.
Are you arresting me?
Yes. Turn around.
Do you have any property on your law right now?
No, I just changed.
Do you want to take anything with you, your phone, wallet, keys?
Radio 1731.
Yep.
31.
First, the answer returns to the complainant. Check valid. No one side or the other.
Okay, shoes, you want your phone? Do you have a wallet?
I don't need my phone.
You don't need your phone?
You want to leave your glasses here, or do you want to take this?
I need those
Second returns
receipts.
to Shirley.
How you doing?
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know we come out. Just for your information, just so you know, your daughter is going to go to jail tonight.
No.
Sorry.
No. No. You don't have a witness.
So,
I do.
based on,
No.
based on, you understand the domestic laws, like our hands are tied.
No. Well, nothing happened. No.
So I just came up here to inform you.
No.
That way you can stay here and take care of the boy and go from there. She's going to be at Euclid jail, and then she's going to be, you know how that works.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry.
Please.
My hands are tied. There's nothing I can do. You understand that?
Please don't. Nothing happened. Please. Please.
Okay. Well, right now it's done. There's nothing I can do. I'm sorry. So we're gonna lock up the front door. She changed. She's very cooperative. She changed, and we'll just lock up behind us. Do you want to close the garage door behind us? Okay. Do you want to wait until? I'll come up and let you know when we're done here. That way, everybody's.
You know what? You all don't have to do that. I really wish that you wouldn't do that. I really wish that you
I would love not to either, but I
If
can't.
there was any danger, I would be the first person to say it.
Well, we were called here, and you understand how it works.
She was drunk. You know, you've had somebody drunk call you before, and it didn't amount to a charge.
Domestic violence charges are different.
Yes.
With the new laws, you know how it works in the last 10 years or so. We had the option back in the day. Now we don't have an
If
option.
there was a danger, I would be the first person.
I get it. I understand. And, you know, it's, again, our hands are tied, and if we didn't do this, it would come down on us.
No, it wouldn't. Because
No,
she's either going to go to counseling, or I'm not going to communicate with her again. But it wouldn't come to anything.
so that's where we're at. I'm going to let you know when we're all clear here, and then maybe you can come down and close the garage behind us, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I really wish you wouldn't do that.
No, nothing I can do.